The hybrid solar inverter available at Aliexpress is a versatile and high-performance solution for off-grid solar systems, offering a range of power options from 3 kilowatts to 10.2 kilowatts, designed to meet diverse energy needs. This inverter supports 48 volts, 24 volts, and 12 volts battery systems and delivers a pure sine wave output of 230 VAC, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of appliances and devices. Its advanced features, including MPPT solar charging and dual AC outputs, make it an ideal choice for both residential and commercial applications. One of the standout features of this inverter is its dual AC output functionality. Under normal conditions, both the main and secondary outputs are active. However, in situations where there is no solar or mains input and the battery voltage drops below 44 volts adjustable between 41V 46 volts, the main output is disconnected, while the secondary output remains operational. This ensures continuous power supply for critical loads, even during low battery conditions. The inverter offers 3 charging modes to optimize energy usage: Solar for CSO, Solar and Utility S and U default, and only Solar OSO. These modes allow users to prioritize solar energy, combine solar and grid power, or rely solely on solar energy, depending on their needs. It supports multiple battery types, including to 4V, 8V lead-acid sealed, AGM, gel, flooded and lithium batteries, providing flexibility for various energy storage setups. Notably, the inverter can also operate without a battery, making it adaptable to different system configurations. Built with high-quality components, such as pure copper coils and current-limiting chips, the inverter ensures safe and efficient power conversion. It is equipped with advanced protection mechanisms to prevent overvoltage, overcurrent, and other potential issues, ensuring reliable performance even in harsh environments. The built-in 120 MPPT solar controller maximizes solar energy harvesting with a high PV input voltage range of 60 to 450 VDC, making it suitable for large solar arrays.